back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Sharifa and I'm back with another video. I've decided last minute to do a mini maintenance. I'm gonna do my lashes and I'm gonna do my hair. So I'm gonna get cornrows, braid wig lines, and then I'm gonna install my wig. So I'm on campus. I'm gonna leave campus now to go do my lashes, and then I'm gonna go home, get someone to do my wig lines, and then I'm gonna install my wig. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Hi guys, I'm back in my room a little bit bump because I didn't get the nail tech, no, the lash tech that was supposed to do my lashes. He's not in because of immigration and stuff. So I'm back in my room. Now I'm gonna see if the lady that I want her to do my wig lines, I'm gonna see if she's available because she's also a student here where I'm staying. So we'll see. I'm gonna get a wig lines and wash my wig. If she's not available, I'm just gonna wash my wig, and then I'm gonna go back later to see if that guy came in to do the lashes. Just a quick update. At this point, nothing is working out. I'm now in the bathroom. The lady that's supposed to do my braids, the wig lines, she's not staying at Eternal City, but I'm gonna bowl to her just now. But I'm gonna wash my wig first, and then I'm gonna leave it with the treatment, and then I'm gonna go. Okay, so I'm done washing my wig now. I'm just gonna leave the treatment in the wig, and then I'm gonna rinse it out later, maybe tonight, and then I'm just gonna like let the wig dry during the night, and then I'll do the install in the morning. So now let me go guys because I'm late for the hair. Hey loves, I'm back. What an exhausting day. So I'm finally done doing cornrows, cute and stuff, but my lashes are still not done. These people are asking $150 for cluster lashes, and I'm not willing to pay $150 for cluster lashes that I can do myself, that I can buy for 40 rand and install myself. So I opt to buy the cluster lashes. So I'm gonna do my lashes, but I just came back from 3 salons. I am so tired. I'm not tired, I'm just exhausted. So I'm not gonna do anything right now. I might go wash out the treatment in my wig and put in conditioner and then wash it out so it can start to dry. But other than that, maintenance for me for now until I'm in the mood again. Maybe later, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. This was later at night. I decided to prep my wig for the next day for the installation. and right now I'm busy in the bathroom with my lashes. The lashes that I'm using. Lashes are done, so now I'm gonna go to my room to install the wig. Looks are definitely coming together. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the final look. Not bad, hey? For a first time. I've always been wanting to try this hairstyle. Is it okay on? This is the final look outfit of the day. This is what I was wearing to campus. This is the end of this video, this vlog, my maintenance vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did like this vlog, please give a like and comment down below what do you think of this maintenance. What was your favorite, the lashes, the hair, or the fit? Bye.